Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Imani Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting spotting video, I'll be planting up a 3-tiered container. So this is how it looks like. 3 little tiers of containers that we're going to pop up, that I'm going to build up, and it's going to be replacing right here. And so I have plants and soil ready for this. And so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and jump right into building this. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. The entire 3-tiered garden fountain looking planter is now completed. So the first top layer, I decided to put this amaryllis that was in full bloom, and my mom actually requested to put it here because it's so gorgeous. So it's the top tier. The second tier is an entire 4 plants of pink vinca, and the last tier is in total 6 petunias, 1 that is magenta and 1 that is like a pink lemonade-ish color. And I really love how this turned out, guys. Like, I love that structure. This structure will be replacing this structure. So I'm really excited because I had 2 people, complete strangers, just pass by, and they actually complimented me. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. The entire 3-tiered garden planter is done. So the first tier carries a white amaryllis that I really love. My mom actually requested it to put it in here, so I did that for her. And then in the bottom tier, the next tier, I have 4 plants of this pink vinca that my amazing brother brought me. And then in the last tier, I have 6 petunias, one of a magenta color and one of a like a pink lemonade-ish color. And so I really, really like it. And I know people love it because 2 absolute strangers that were just walking by complimented me and said that they really loved it and they were very inspired of what I did. So huge thank you to them. This structure, this one, is going to be replacing this one. This one I don't know where to put it yet because, you know, it's a shade-loving plant, so I don't know where to fit it. But I love how this one came out, and so, yeah. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. I am really happy for what the results came out of. And of course, I'm going to give you updates. Even though the amaryllis, pretty sure is going to go out of bloom. I don't know what are the futures for it, if it's going to come out or if it's going to stay. I don't know quite yet, but I'm going to give you an update on the other 2 tiers that I did. So I'm really, really excited to see how this goes. And I really love the structure and I really love the color scheme because it goes great with the front of the house. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. A huge shout out to one of my best friends in this garden industry. His name is Sammy. You guys have heard of him before on this channel, and he reached 100 subscribers a few months ago. So go subscribe to him if you aren't already, and I know there's a ton of new people on my channel, so make sure to go subscribe to him. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.